Hello guys, welcome back to brand new episode of Metro Mom, and today we are going to talk about 10 home decor trends which are going to dominate 2021. So the year has just begun and I thought this is the perfect time to talk about these home decor trends. I think this is not necessary that you should follow all these trends, but it is always a good idea to know about these trends, and maybe you can pick one or two things and add it in your own style and make your home even more cozier and perfect. Before jumping into the video, I'll quickly remind you that please do subscribe to our channel if you have not done it already. Lot of interesting videos and DIYs are coming up and you would not want to miss them, so please do hit the subscribe button and also tap the bell icon so that you are not missing any of my videos. So the number one home decor trend which is going to dominate 2021 is natural elements. We have been seeing natural elements coming into our home slowly and gradually since last 2 years, and now in this year you will see a lot more of natural elements coming into your home decor scene. You will see a lot of jute products, rattan, cane, dried flowers, dried leaves, and all of that things which remind you of nature, of earth. You will see a lot more of them inside your homes, and you will see a lot more products coming up related to these earthy materials into the market. The second home decor trend which is going to dominate 2021 is going to be my favorite, and I think you guys will also love it, and that is reusing, reducing and recycling things which we already have. I think we have done enough damage to our planet already, and this is a high time we have to learn how to reuse things instead of buying things immediately. And I think this trend is also picking up in our country. People are buying a lot of furniture from OLX and styling them in their own style. They are painting them, doing different sort of DIY. So this trend is also picking up in our country, and I'm really happy to see this. And there are a lot of interesting products also coming up in order to help you with DIY. Asian Paints recently launched some product for furniture, so that you can easily paint your furniture. So there are a lot of options available in the market if you want to seriously DIY any furniture or give them a new look. There are now bamboo sheets, cane sheets available in India as well if you want to give your cabinet a new look. I did a video on this cabinet makeover last year. You can see it if you want to give your old shoe cabinet a new look. So that way there are numerous possibilities. You can spray paint your old furniture. There are endless possibilities. So this is the year of reusing and upcycling. The third home decor trend talks about free air life. It means enjoying your free space, whether it is your backyard, it is your balcony, any open space around your home. If not before, 2020 has taught us to enjoy these small little places because we were not stepping out at all, and these small balconies, lawns and backyards were an ultimate space to go during the evening. During the pandemic, we saw a lot of people picking up gardening, even vegetable gardening, and even creating their own home bars in the balcony where they can sit and relax during the evening. So that way people have started using this small ignored place, and they have learned that balcony is not just meant for drying clothes. So this trend is going to continue this year as well, and I am expecting a lot of innovations in this particular segments. Maybe we will see some compact furniture coming up in this area, like a lot of flats, especially in Mumbai. They have got very small balcony space or no balcony at all. So they will have some foldable furniture coming up for maybe creating a small breakfast nook or maybe a home bar. So that way you will see a lot of products coming up in this segment, and you will see a lot of people picking up gardening even more than before. Even I am planning to do organic gardening, create a small vegetable garden in one corner of my balcony. So you will see a lot of things coming up in this particular section. In the fourth home decor trend section, we are going to talk about furnitures. You will see a lot of multifunctional furniture and compact pieces, because we have learned that when all of the families are at home, we don't want bulky furniture which is taking up all the space. We all want free walking space. So we will see furniture pieces which are not very bulky. Like, we don't want a 6-seater dining table for everyday life. We have guests occasionally, so we will have a smaller dining table. And when it comes to sofa, then we will pick up a sleeker looking sofa. Especially, and like if you are having a home office, then we will pick up a smaller table as compared to bigger table. So that ways you will see multifunctional and compact furnitures. And there is another change which is going to pick up slowly and gradually, which is going to be curvy furniture. You will not see like more of these square and rectangular tables. You will see more of circular tables, or maybe oval shape, or maybe something like irregular shape. You will see softer curves coming up in the furniture section. Sustainability is another home decor trend which is going to pick up this year. People have been talking about sustainability, but this year we will take it more seriously. And if you think sustainable home decor products are costly, then you have to look around your local markets. You can always go to a local pottery shop, pick up terracotta products, DIY with things available at your home, add more indoor plants, dried flowers, dried leaves. There are numerous ways of adding sustainable home decor without investing a lot of money. I know it is not very easy to immediately transition to sustainable home decor, but it is not a very tough journey to start with. So you will see sustainable market growing in our country as well. We have already started seeing jute planters, jute rugs, products made of rope, and macrame products. So that ways that sustainable home decor is slowly growing in our country, and it is coming in the affordable range. So now let's talk about our next home decor trend, and I am a little biased towards this trend because I have been a fan of this trend since forever, and I am glad that it is finally picking up. I am talking about open shelves. I know, I love open shelves, and I have open shelf in my dining area, and earlier I had it in my living room as well. Then I uninstalled it due to my daughter. But I love open shelves. There are so many possibilities of styling them according to your weather and mood. I have always loved open shelf. My kitchen is a rental kitchen, but then also I installed a small floating shelf so that I can display my cute little crockeries over there. So that ways you will see open shelves picking up in the home decor section even more than before. You will see open shelves above the TV area and in the living room, in the work space as well. So it doesn't mean you have to install shelves everywhere in your home, but at least in some sections you can have these open shelves and display your collectibles, maybe your crockery, and layer them in different ways. So we'll see a lot more of these open shelves in 2021. So now let's move on to our next home decor trend, and this trend has got a very interesting name. This trend is being called as Grand Millennial. I know, it sounds interesting. So basically this means that you will pick up things from your grandmother's home and then you will mix these old elements into your modern homes. So maybe you will pick up antique lamp or antique clock from your grandmother's home and you will add them into your modern home. So you remember those pillow covers with Hakoba laces? These trends are going to come back. So you will see some of these items from your grandmother's house coming back into the home decor scene. So next time when you are visiting your grandmother's home, then please do look around and pick up few things. So the next home decor trend is not something new. We have seen it earlier as well. I'm talking about having indoor plants. So a lot of people are bringing outside inside their homes, so you will see a lot of plants even more than before. Earlier we used to see money plants and erica palm as most common plants, and then slowly fiddle leaf fig started picking up, then ZZ. So similarly you will see some new plants coming inside your home, and people will start enjoying greenery around them even more than before. So this trend of having greenery around yourself is going to grow even more than before. So if you think you are a serial plant killer and any plant you bring in is going to die, then let me know in the comment section and I will suggest you some plants which are not very easy to kill. So I can recommend you some plants. Do let me know in the comment section and I will make a video on it. Moving on to next home decor trend, and I'm really happy with this trend coming up because I was seriously done with seeing overcluttered spaces, especially all over Instagram. Cozy doesn't mean that you have to pile yourself with 1,000 things. You do not even have the walking space. So that trend is going to go away and we will see less cluttered spaces. You know, we will have a space which will have only functional things around us. We have to clean ourselves. Remember, we do not have an army of helpers around us, so we have to do things ourselves. So that ways that trend is going to go, and we will see minimal clutter free spaces. Minimal doesn't mean that you have to live with a bare sofa. You can have things which you love, but you do not have to overdo it. This clutter free home decor trend is going to pick up this year, hopefully. So now we have reached to the last section of this video, and I'll talk about the colors which are going to dominate 2021. So we will see a lot more of earthy colors this year. So you will see beige, brown, terracotta colors, and it's not like you will only see these neutral colors everywhere. You will also see some pops of yellow, blues against these neutral colors. So I think if you're going to paint your home, paint your walls, and these colors are great options, because these colors will give you a feeling of a bigger, opener space, and you will feel more connected to earth. So these colors are very interesting. You can always go on Pinterest and look for inspiration if you are planning to give your furniture a makeover, or maybe if you are planning to paint any section of your house. So we are done talking about these 10 home decor trends which are going to dominate this year, and I hope this video was helpful for you. And if you are planning to do some changes in your home, then I think this video helped you. Now I will talk about a big announcement which I'm going to make. This is something I've been planning since really long. If you remember, I made a silent vlog, and I received a lot of positive comments on that video. So since that time I wanted to make something on those lines, but I do not wanted to mix that content into this channel. So after procrastinating for months, I am starting another channel, and that channel will be focusing on lifestyle, wellness, how to live a cozier life, a happier life, how to live mindfully, how to live a stress-free life. I think these are a few things which are very special to me, and I think I have been making some changes in my life, and I feel much happier now. So I wanted to talk about these things in that channel. If you enjoy silent vlogs and aesthetic videos, then I think you will love all these videos which I'm going to make. And the name of my channel is Recipe for a Cozy Life, and I'll be posting the first video on this channel next week, and I'll update you in the community section, and I will look for your love and support as you have supported me here. So I'm really nervous, and I don't know if you will like it, but fingers crossed, and see you soon next week.